A chair is one of the must-have items that a home should possess. Luckily, it's available at stores in various kinds of materials, sizes, and shapes. However, some stylish ones can be costly. Well, if that's the case, why don't you try to make one yourself? If you worry about not being skillful at carpentry, then you can opt for a cardboard chair. Some cardboard types are quite sturdy and durable. Besides, by making a cardboard chair, you will help to maintain the environment as well as being creative at the same time. Buckle up because you are going to see 7 amazing DIY cardboard chair design ideas that might inspire you to make one. 1. Simple throne. This cardboard chair is straightforward and pretty easy to assemble together because you will only need 5 pieces to make it. It is quite sturdy, although it is made of cardboard, which makes it a perfect and an affordable chair for your kid's desk. If you think the natural color of cardboard is somewhat dull, you can always paint it easily. 2. DIY no-arm chair. This chair features minimalist design and geometric shapes that suit any modern house immensely. Just a few splashes of color will amp it up nicely. To make this chair, get 2 pieces of square cardboard at the same size for the legs. You will need some square pieces for the back and seat. You will also need to make 2 slits for each front and back leg so that they can hold onto the square cardboard pieces firmly. 3. Classic armchair. This chair resembles the look of a plush armchair. It features 2 bulky sides for your arms to rest. The design also allows you to fit snugly and comfortably. For extra comfort, try adding a cushion onto the seat. Don't forget to paint or wrap it with a wallpaper to incorporate some colors or patterns into it. 4. Mini cardboard chair for dolls. Most girls love playing dolls. They like putting their dolls in a fully furnished small house. Therefore, this cardboard chair could be a good addition. This is how to make it. Cut 2 2-inch square strips. Make sure the length and width are equivalent. After that, cut 2 1/2-inch rectangular strips. To jazz up the look, cut off a hole right at the middle of each rectangle. Assemble all the cardboard pieces, then glue them together. 5. A cardboard couch. This couch features an angle cut at the pivoting end so that it doesn't bind to the back. The couch is meticulously designed to give you clean-lined edges that accentuate a modern flair. This cardboard chair can also make a great bench in your mudroom. 6. Triangular cardboard chair. Do you have many cardboard boxes at home? Don't throw them into your dustbin, as you can turn them into a stylish chair. First, get some cardboard boxes and cut them into a lot of rectangles. Fold each rectangle to form a triangular tube. After that, assemble them with zip ties. 6. Cardboard rocking chair. Sit back and relax. You're going to make a rocking cardboard chair that will help you feel more relaxed without breaking your bank. First, build the chair with 9 cardboard pieces. Glue them side by side. Attach the 9 pieces to the rocker frame. Make the creasing to support the form, then glue them all. Paint the frame yellow or any color of your choice to make it look more aesthetic. Now you've got 7 amazing DIY cardboard chair design ideas. Now roll up your sleeves and try to make one of them.